Thank you for joining me for this State of the CPA Business video. I've been in the family office business a long time, and some of the hardest working people on our team are the CPAs, enrolled agents, and the accountants. And working closely with our accounting and tax team, I'm constantly told that our clients don't see the value in the accounting work. As a business owner, I know that accounting gives me valuable information about my business, but many of your clients are looking at accounting and tax work from just the cost angle. Now, there are 5 important changes coming to the CPA and accounting industry, and they're going to affect your business, and they're going to affect you quickly. Number 1, some states are realizing that there's a shortage of accountants and CPAs. As a result, many of these states are looking at making it easier to become a CPA by reducing the college credits and the work experience required to become a CPA. Can you imagine being able to hang your CPA shingle with just an associate's degree? Well, number 2, the IRS currently has a free filing system in place for taxpayers to do their federal tax returns. The IRS is expanding this free filing program to include more complicated tax filings for business operations next year. This is going to take tax preparation work from CPAs and other accounting and tax preparation professionals. So what happens when you lose 25 to 40% of your tax preparation work? Number 3. Many accounting firms outsource accounting work overseas because it can be done cheaper. This is going to be a challenge for you because who your clients use for accounting will become where it's 100% based on cost. Accounting work can be done overseas cheaper. And the accounting practice of the future will be kind of like the car insurance industry. People will jump to anyone that saves them $10 a month. There'll be no loyalty in that industry, and it's beginning to bleed over into the accounting industry. Only price matters. Number 4, successful CPA firms are realizing that they must expand their business with advisory services. The larger firms that do tax work are expanding to advisory or wealth management services. The point is that these companies realize if they don't expand and offer more value-added elements to their firm, they won't survive. And number 5, as reported today in the Wall Street Journal in an article called The Disappearing White-Collar Job, artificial intelligence has already replaced hundreds of thousands of white-collar jobs. Now, AI is coming after higher-ups, accountants, software programmers, human resource specialists, and lawyers. This past March saw 150,000 people lose their jobs in professional services, management, computer occupations, engineering, and scientists. The basic functions of the CPA firm will soon be victim to AI. Okay, so you say, well, my business is good. I've actually got more business than I can do, but how long is that going to last? What is going to be the state and condition of your firm 5 years from now? How are these changes going to affect your firm? You have to ask that question because those changes are coming, and they're coming fast. Well, what do? Well, you can work harder, you can work longer hours, and try to maintain the business that you currently have, or you can expand your business and the services you offer and create better value for your clients. So many insightful owners of CPA firms are expanding their business to include advisory services. But expanding your business to provide advisory services for wealth management, estate planning, insurance, legacy planning creates several challenges, and I'll just name 4 of them. Number 1 is that it diverts attention and effort from your current practice. Number 2, it requires an investment in licensing, both time and expense. It requires additional personnel, which increases your overhead. And it requires a tremendous amount of time and education to learn the solutions your clients need to solve their problems or meet their goals. That's why I would like to talk to you about the Centric CPA Advantage program. This provides you with all of the value-added services your clients are asking somebody for right now. You can start including these services in your firm right away with minimal licensing requirements, no extra overhead on your part, and no additional required personnel. This is a way to expand your business to include advisory services your clients are looking for right now. And as their most trusted advisor, they should be getting those services from you. Plus, all of the solutions provided for your clients are done by experts in the field. You can position yourself in the industry to not only ensure your firm's success, but also increase your client retention, and your client acquisition efforts will be more productive. So reach out to me and let's have a conversation to see if the Centric CPA Advantage program is right for you, your firm, and your clients. Again, I thank you for joining me.